Good morning. Today I am in the village of Piedicolle, which is a lovely little borgo between Colazzone and Todi, more or less. And I have a house for sale here in this little village. So a village house, not with a garden, but a tiny stone-built house in this lovely little street where the ladies sit outside to take some fresh air and to enjoy chatting together. And so the house we're showing you today is this one. It has this door and that door, and then the 3 floors, one above the other. Okay, we'll go in here, and instead of going into the main the official door, we enter by what used to be the garage, which has been turned into a lovely room, like a sitting room with an open fireplace, which used to be an open fireplace, but it's still there. It doesn't work, but it's very scenic and very nice, of course. And here behind this little scene, there is a small toilet, a bathroom that you can use, and for the rest it's storage. Or if you want, you could stay in here and put a bed here. If it's very hot in summer, you could sleep down here. All right, you can see the beautiful brick walls with the little arches over here and there. So it all has many old features and characteristics. Okay, so this is the official entrance door, and you go up here into the first floor where the living is. Okay, this is where the kitchen is. There is a beautiful fireplace here which can be put on. It works very nice in winter with Christmas and everything. There is a kitchen, a kitchenette, a little corner here. Everything is there. There is a electrical boiler and a little storage area, cooking on gas, and the rest of the sitting area here for dining space. There is a TV. The house comes fully furnished, so you could just move in with your suitcase right away and start living in Umbria and live the Umbrian village life. There are little sagras in this area in Umbria, which are like village parties. They last about 10 days, and they have great food, and everybody comes to sit outside on long tables in the evening. There is music and dancing. It's all very lively and funny, and every little village that respects itself has its own sagra, and so does this village. So here we have the shower, the bathroom with the shower. There is a light up here as well, a little window up on the roof and a window here. Okay, hello. Here is another boiler for hot water for the shower. And here we enter a first room, which could be used as a bedroom. You can see this is a sofa bed with a TV and cupboard, and as I said, it would everything would stay if you want. Okay, there is a little window to the back over here, so you can, air can circulate. And here is the ceiling. The roof has been redone about 20 years ago, and here is the main bedroom, which is also very nice, with the heating system, as I said, like air conditioning, cold and hot air. So it's always nice and cool or warm in winter. And here we are, overlooking the roofs of Piedicolle and the little street down there. Okay, the house is about 75 square meters, so 25 per floor, and the price is going, the asking price is 75,000, and it comes completely furnished. Okay, so if you want more information, go to www.lecasadidori.com. Bye bye.